Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in home in our English 101 College Reading and Composition 1 class. And as you know, home for us serves as a bulletin board. So let's see what we have on our bulletin board this week. We have my Zoom office hours. If you want a video conference with me, it's Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1 to 2 p.m. and by request via the Canvas inbox. So the directions, how to contact me via Zoom. Click on this URL during office hours. It's right here, and you'll be admitted into a video conference, okay, if you need a face-to-face conference. All right, so we are in week 13 in modules, May 4th through the 10th, 2020. We are finishing discussion 5, the peer evaluations, and you should also be working on your term paper, which is about this class topic, as you know. What is the cause or causes of low student success rates, and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? Okay, I'm going to click on week 13 in modules, and that will take us into discussion 5. And I'm going to remind you that I'm very active in the discussions, and let me scroll down and show you somebody's posting. And then right after that, you'll see my name, Nuala Lenka-Evich, Nunu, and I will ask you questions and give you tasks to do in the discussion. And you'll see this big animated question box. So be sure to look in your thread, your essay thread, and it's right below your posting. You'll have comments from me and from your peers. Respond to all of us, please, okay? I hope you're having a good week and that you and yours are well in this very surreal COVID-19 era. And I want to remind you, I'm over here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to email me. And also, I'm going back to home, and I'm reminding you of my Zoom office hours are right here and the URL to click on to reach me. All right, let's have a good week.